As so often, starting with the cube, and this is to extrude 4 kind of chimneys out the top of this. And as so often, a lot of it is about me not quite having the knack. So I'm in object mode to start with, and then I'm going to toggle as that object selected, toggle into what we're going. Okay, toggle into edit, and then we're going to do a Control R to apply and slide for 2 cuts, and then I'm going to slide that along the scale, along the y-axis. There we go. And let's say it's good enough, and I click again, and then this time again we'll do a Control tab, Control R along the other axis, two of those cuts. Okay, and then this is going to be S along the x-axis, and let's say that's roughly good enough. Okay, so let's again tab as ever. If I go to the face select in edit mode, click there. Now what was happening before, so what the heck was I doing, I don't know, but as I clicked the face, 3 sides were selected, but then one side here, cuts, that was wrong. Shift to get the next, and the next, and the next, and now we're in edit mode, so I should be able to say E and Z to move the chimneys up, and then hold down Control, Control Z that, in E in the Z axis, but notice the Z doesn't come up in these screencast keys, but never mind. And then I'm going to hold down Control and then up. It's still, why is it doing that? What am I doing wrong? Kind of mode. We know it's all selected, so let's try E and Z again. Yeah, or maybe let's try a snap. So if I say E and Z and then move up, then at least I can snap it to the vertical. Okay, and that's our 4 things. That'll do. Bored now.